Hello students, now we shall look at a numerical on future worth method. So a company owns a plot, premium plot. They have to decide which of the following alternatives to select in trying to obtain the desirable return on their investment. After much study and calculation, they decide the two best alternatives are as given below. To build a solar power plant or build a hydro power plant. Evaluate the alternatives based on the future worth method at interest rate of 12%. Now you can see there are two options. One is to build a solar power plant in that plot what they are having, or to build a hydro power plant. Okay, the first cost, my initial cost, whatever that investment is, that capital expenditure is 20 lakhs for solar plant and 36 lakhs for hydro plant. Then taxes, what you have to pay for a solar power plant, you have to pay 80,000 rupees tax annually. This is outgoing. Okay, the expenditure. And hydro power plant, you have 1.5 lakh rupees tax annually. Then annual income what you are getting is from solar power plant you get 8 lakh rupees income per year, whereas for hydro power plant you get 9 lakh 80,000 rupees income per year. The life of the land or the equipment life is 20 years for both solar as well as hydro power plant, and there is no scrap value. Okay, now we have to find out where the person has to invest money. If he wants to invest 20 lakhs, he can set up a solar power plant. To build a hydro power plant, he has to invest 36 lakhs. So out of these options, which is the better option? And this is calculated the future worth by using a future worth method, and the interest rate is at 12%. Now, so let us see the alternative one, that is build solar power plant. The first cost is 20 lakhs, that is P. Okay, and the net annual income is annual income minus annual taxes, whatever we have to pay. So annual income was 8 lakh rupees and the annual property tax was 80,000 rupees. So the net annual income is 7 lakh 20,000 rupees per year. And the life is 20 years. And the interest rate is 12% compounded annually. So you can see the cash flow diagram. So from 0 to 20 we have drawn a line. 1, 2, 3, 4 like 20 up to 20. The 20 lakhs is the first investment we have shown bottom. There is expenditure, and the net revenue we have shown 7 lakh 20,000. This is the net revenue for 20 years. Now future worth at 12% interest rate is equal to minus 20,000 because we are investing 20 lakhs because we are investing now in bracket F or P at the rate 12% for 20 years, plus revenue I am getting 7 lakh 20,000 rupees every year. So 7 lakh 20,000 rupees in bracket F bar A. A means every year I am getting annual equal annual amount. So A is the annual amount, that is 7 lakh 20,000 rupees I am getting at the rate of 12% interest for 20 years. So this F bar P 12% at 20 years and F bar A 12% at 20 for 20 years. You get the values as 9.646 and 72.052. This you multiply with this 20 lakhs and 7 lakh 20,000 rupees. So you get the value as 3 crore 25 lakhs 85,440. Okay. Now how this factor has come 9.646 and 72. Now we will see here. This annual payments ka 1 plus I, that is I is 12%, that is 0.12 year, raised to N, N is 20 years here, minus 1 divided by I, that is 0.12, you get as 72. This is what you have used, 72 for this 7 lakh 20,000 rupees what you are getting every year. Secondly, the future amount of the present amount, that is 20 lakhs what we are investing. F is equal to P in bracket 1 plus I raised to N. So here F by P is equal to 1 plus I, that is 1 plus 0.12 I, and N is 20, that becomes 9.646. You can calculate like this. Otherwise you have got this compound interest factor chart. Please see this chart here. For this chart is for 12% interest. In the top left side as well as right side is written interest rate is 12%. Now come to the line N is equal to 20 years. You can see come to the N is equal to 20 years, first column. Now you can see F bar P. So find F when the P is given. Now I know P is 20 lakhs, whatever I am investing today. So after 20 years, how much it will become? So I know the P. So the factor F is 9.646. I have put underline. You can see 9.646. So when single payment, that is single payment P I have given 20 lakhs now. So I have to have a compound amount factor. Okay, to find F, the factor is 9.646. Now the annually I am getting 7,20,000 rupees. So for after 20 years, what is the value of that 7,20,000 rupees every year for 20 years? Then this is uniform series, uniform payment series. Here compound amount factor, find F given A. So I know A is 7,20,000 rupees. So I have to find the F, compound amount factor. So that is 72.052. So you need not calculate this using the formula. You can directly take these charts with you in the during examination. These charts are allowed. So you can use these charts and use the values directly. Otherwise, it is better because only there are 3 formulas involved. You can also practice these formulas and remember them and reproduce in the examinations. So now next alternative is hydropower plant. So here the initial cost is 36 lakhs. So net annual income is annual income minus annual property tax. Annual income is 9,80,000 rupees. Property is 1,50,000 rupees per year. So the net annual income is 8,30,000 rupees every year for 20 years. Life is 20 years. The interest rate again we have taken is 12% compounded annually. So the cash flow diagram you can see here from 0 to 20 years we have to put. So first investment P is 36 lakhs, we have shown down, arrow down, and rest every year from 1 to 20 we are getting 8,30,000 rupees annually, and the interest rate is 12%. So again you can see the future worth of alternative is calculated minus 36 lakh because there is the initial investment, that is minus F bar P at the rate of 12% for 20 years plus 8,30,000 rupees I am getting every year. F bar A, because every year it is F bar A. One time investment is P. Okay, so I want to find out the future value for the annual amount 8,30,000 rupees at the rate of 12% interest and for 20 years. So the factors what we have seen you can calculate also. You will get 9.646 and 72, or you can get it directly from the chart. So this value is 2,50,77,562. So we can see the future worth of the alternative 1, that is 3 crores. You can see here 3 crores 25 lakhs is greater than this 2 crores 50 lakhs. Hence the future worth of alternative 1 is greater than that of the alternative 2. Thus building the solar power plant is the best alternative. This is how you use the future worth method. Either you calculate using the relationship what I have given here, F is equal to P 1 plus I raised to N, or for annuity payment you can 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 divided by I, using two relationship, or using the chart here, single payment and uniform series payment, you can find out the factor directly. So this is a very simple way. Please try to solve this problem because it is not only there in your subject of management and economics, but also in module 2 of energy and environment also. Okay, thank you.